In this video, we are going to see how the Adobe Firefly text to image generation function works. We have already explored the basics. So let's explore this again because we have this subscription right now with 2000 credits available on the standard version. So if you want to explore this, just go to the Adobe Firefly, just scroll down until you see this text to image generation. Just go in here, and like we have explored before, let's try something new. And let's try some prompt like a wolf that is crying but holding a rose as a sorry to his master. On a stormy day, let's click on generate, and you can see the quality of the image. Although this image is not perfect, it depends on how detailed you defined the prompt. But because as you can see, the rose or what it is holding in his mouth has not a proper placing, and it's not as good as we defined it earlier. So let's use something from ChatGPT here, and fantasy and surreal. A giant flowing veil in the sky, clouds swirling around it, dreamy pastel colors, surreal and magical. Let's try exploring this one. Let's try this as a prompt, click on generate. And this one is pastel colors. So that's why it's generated some images like that. So you can easily use this in any kind of posters or any material for kids. Now let's go with the first one. Let's use this, click on edit, and we have generative functions available here like generative video, generative fill, and generate similar images. If we click on that, it will show us another variation of what we have used before. So now it's completely different, and the gate and the view is different from the earlier one. So you can use that one as well. Now, if we see on the left, we have some general settings, like we can change the model of the Firefly image generator. If you want to switch to some other model, we can use that as well. And we are going to explore all of these functionality later on. We can change the aspect ratio if we want it, let's say, to a square, landscape, portrait image for different platforms. You can adjust it accordingly. And we also have the content type mentioned right here. So we have the photo, art, and auto choose feature. So it will automatically analyze according to your prompt that what suits it best. Like it's a simple photo or it's an artistic photo. Now, whatever you like, you can just download this, or you can like this so that it's included in your reference content and layer data. You can additionally write some notes, mention something here, click on submit, close out of here. Now we also have some styles. It's set to popular, but if we, let's say, set it to all, we have different styles. Like we can create a fantasy image out of here, cyberpunk, minimalism, industrial. We can give it the image any kind of look. So let's say we are writing this prompt. If we add something to it like fantasy, it will tag it here. And let's explore some of the other options. If we scroll down, we have the color and tone as well. So if we want to make it cool tone, black and white, golden, whatever we like, we can bring some warm colors as well, vibrant colors, however you want to customize it. And as soon as we select it, it will keep tagging it with the current prompt. And also we have the lighting options like harsh lighting, backlighting, whatever we want. Let's enable the backlighting. And let's also set the camera angle, which is close up, monography, however you want. Let's set it to close up. So all of this prompt writing and tagging different kind of features that we want to add it with the image adds up to how the image looks. Let's click on generate, and based on all of these instructions, it will generate an image for us. So you can see how this image looks. It has some different variations. All of them looks good. Whatever you like, you can hit a like button, or you can just save it to favorites from the right. And also let's check the quality of it just by downloading. Let's open this up, and it looks like this. It's perfect. If you want to define something further, you can define that as well. Now let's try something new, ultra detailed. As you can see, a futuristic neon city at night, rain slick streets reflecting bright holograms, cyberpunk style, cinematic angle, and ultra wide detail. So let's try some of these commands. Clear all of this, clear this prompt, and we can paste this. And as we can see, something has been generated, but it's not what I was expecting. So that's not a good image. But you can improve your prompting just by going to the gallery and explore some of the prompts that the people have written. Let's open this. And by the way, you can open any kind of image like this one. If we go back, we like some prompt, you can just open it to customize it according to your needs. This is the complete prompt written that you can use and customize. So that's all about this text to image generator tool in Firefly. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.